Hello, today is 9th August 2023 and today I'm very glad to show you what the MOREROOM new head office is on the construction. Okay, you guys, you can see now every of the appearance is most finished and we are into the next procedures. Here is the first floor. You can see our outside with the glasses and all the showroom and also the material selections and also the office building well in the first floor. And MOREROOM is the first one of China who owns natural stone and also the sintered stone showroom. 这里是哪里啊？就是你告诉我在哪个地方？应该我们是在这里。 Hello everyone, now we are entering to MOREROOM Red Hall and we waited this moment for a long time. And this part will be our central hall, and when you entering, so we are going to the next is our central hall. And our reception desk is here. Okay, so when you entering, you can first do the reservations and then you will see our natural stone district. And district, the area is over 800 square meters total. We will select all the best materials, the natural stone materials, to display here. I think they will bring a lot of ideas for architects, designers, and can find you best materials in MOREROOM. And this coming to next is our high-end materials, and you can see a lot of real cases. And in this part you can see when you're entering this district, you can see a lot of real cases for sintered stone and the natural stone. And this is the entrance for our natural stone district. And all this part is the next part is our high-end materials cases display area. And this area we will put a lot of different and also more kinds of the inspiration for all architects and the designers. Okay, the next we are entering to MOREROOM meeting area and also the office district area. So this part will be our meeting room and all our marketing department all here. So when you guys want to know more our details for our products and information, we will talk all the information here. And you guys, you can imagine when all this area and installed with sintered stone and natural stone, how significant it are. And also this part, also the office area. And also now we are doing the next procedure is installation for the slabs. As you can see, this area we already put our snow white slabs on the wall. And also all this part is all our office district. And next, I will show you how it looks like of our nature stone display area. And this is the entrance of our nature stone materials district. And once you entering, all this two-side wall will display with different nature stone slabs.
手机打光。
And all of this is the display area. And MOREROOM Red Hall is only one in China and even in the world who display not only the nature stone and also the main row is our sintered stone. So next district, after you finished all this visiting, so we will to the sintered stone display area. And also we have a lot of clients must know why MOREROOM will display the nature stone, because we are the only one in China who use the stone scan technology to produce our sintered stone. Okay, here now we after finish our nature stone district, and I want to show you guys here after all of the installation, the next procedure. After we finish, we will finish all our decorations. Okay. After finish the nature stone visiting, so we are coming to nature stone material selection area. And MOREROOM have over 200 different patterns of the sintered stone. So we use a 1,000 square meters total area to display our sintered stone slabs. So you can come to here to choose the best and also you wanted colors for your business. So this area, no matter you doing your own houses, you're doing wholesaler selling, and also you want to talk with us a big project, here you will find the colors you wanted and the best slabs in the world. After you visit our material selection area, we are coming to the next part is we will put some artworks here to display you guys how can we do to use our sintered stone materials to do the artworks. And if you guys, after visiting, I hope you guys will be very gladful and surprised by MOREROOM Red Hall. And also we will prepare you a coffee here So we will not only you can enjoy different drinks and also the coffee. And MOREROOM was doing the next procedures for the final of the decoration. So our workers are working very hard these days to maybe I think, although I'm the first time come to our construction site, but I think 1 or 2 months we will finish the final construction, and you guys will soon see how the real looks for MOREROOM Red Hall.